Hello students, our today's topic is probability of chapter 3 data handling. So let's start our topic. When match between India and Pakistan is played, many times you come across these type of statement like what is the chance that India will win the match? Now, if I talk about tomorrow's temperature, I can say that it will probably be a hot day tomorrow. See these underlined words, chance and probably, means we are not sure about the happening of these events. It may happen or it may not happen. It may be that tomorrow will be a cloudy day. So we are not certain of happening these events. In playground, a coin is tossed to decide that which team will start the game. But the winner may get head or he may get tail. He is not sure whether he is going to get head or tail. These type of activity like tossing of a coin or throwing of a dice in mathematics language is called an experiment. These type of activities called an experiment. Let's define experiment. Experiment is a situation involving chance. Situation involving chance. That is experiment. Then outcomes. The result obtained out of this experiment is called outcomes, like head or tail. These are outcomes. Result obtained. Obtained is called outcomes. What are outcomes here? In tossing of a coin, head or tail. These are outcomes. Then sample space. All total possible outcomes. The total possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes are called sample space. Sample space. Now these outcomes are enclosed within this bracket and separated by comma. In sample space, we write all the possible outcomes of the experiment and these are separated by comma. Now, if we want to find the probability of getting head, means the chances of getting head. What are the chances of getting head? Half chances. Half chance. 1 by 2. What is 1 here? 1 is total number of head, that is in favor of H. Favorable number. 1. What is 2? 2 is total numbers of outcome. Total outcomes. Similarly, if we want to find the probability of getting tail, that is also half. 1 by 2. Again, 1 is in favor of T. Favorable number. Favorable number. That is 1 and 2 total outcomes, total result, number of results, total outcomes. So we have derived a formula for getting a probability of an event. That is, probability of an event is equal to probability of an event is equal to favorable number of outcomes, favorable number of outcomes divided by total number of outcomes, total number of outcomes. As the formula for probability of an event, if we have to find the probability of any event in any experiment, then we will use this formula. Let us define probability. Probability is defined as measure of likelihood of something to happen, and the probability of an event always lie between 0 and 1. It may be equal to 0, it may be equal to 1, as probability of an impossible event is 0 and probability of a sure event is 1. Next we have types of event. First is impossible event. Impossible event means the event having 0 chances of happening. 0 chances. 0 chances of happening. That is impossible event. For example, if I say that sun rises in the west, that is an impossible event because it cannot happen. That is impossible event. Next is unlikely event. The event having less than half chances. Event having less than half chance. Half chances. That is unlikely event. If today is a sunny day and I say that it may rain in the evening, that is unlikely event because now it is a sunny day. Next is equally likely event. Equally likely event is the event having equal number of chances. Having equal number of chances. For example, getting head or tail in tossing of a coin. These are equally likely events. Next, likely event having more than half chance. The event having more than half chances. That is likely event. If I say that after dinner I will sleep, that is a likely event. It may that you may watch TV or you may do any other thing, but the more chances are going to bed. That is likely event. Next is certain or event. The certain event is the sure event that must happen. That is certain event, and the probability of sure event is always 1. Is always 1, and probability of any event lies between 0 and 1, between 0 and 1. Now, if we take a question that in a bag there are 4 white balls, 5 red balls and 6 black balls, and if you have to draw a white ball, then what is the probability of getting a white ball and what is the probability of getting a black ball? Then how will you find? First, you will write the total number of balls. Total number of balls in bag, that is equal to 4 plus 5 plus 6. 4 plus 5 plus 6. 15 balls. Then if you have to find the probability of white ball, then probability of getting white ball is equal to favorable number of outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. What is the favorable number of outcomes? Number of white balls. Number of white balls divided by total number of outcomes, that is 15. Total number of balls, that is equal to 4, as white ball is 4 and total ball is 15. 4 by 15. If you have to find number of black balls, so probability of black balls, then probability of getting black ball, that is also equal to favorable number of outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Now favorable number of outcomes are here black balls. Number of black balls, that is favorable numbers, divided by total number of balls. Total number of balls, that is equal to 6 by 15. Now you can cancel them. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. 2 by 5 is the probability of getting black ball and 4 by 15 is the probability of getting white ball. Now you can do let's try 5 based on this video.